Hi again, WLA staff. This is going to be a quick video to review some of the key features of a MacBook. We're going to start by looking at our desktop here, and we're going to hover over the dock at the bottom of our screen. The dock has shortcuts to our key applications. When I right-click over any of the applications, which is 2 fingers on the Mac trackpad, I'll get options for that particular application, and I can remove certain things from the dock if I don't want them there. In addition, if I hover over this divider line and do the same right click, I'll get the ability to change my dock preferences, including turning magnification on or turning hiding on. I'm a magnification person, so I tend to turn that setting on. That's the way I like it. If you want to add specific things to your dock, you can go over to Finder and check out applications on the left hand side and then find a given application. If you drag it towards your dock and hover, it will create a space for itself, and then you can drop it, and now you've got a shortcut to that thing added to your MacBook dock. One of the shortcuts I have on my dock is System Preferences. If you don't see this shortcut with the gear, you can find it by going up to the Apple in the upper left hand corner of your MacBook and hitting System Preferences there. System Preferences has all sorts of settings that some of you are very familiar with. You can set up Siri here. You can set those same dock settings we were talking about a minute ago. Desktops and screensavers, network settings, Bluetooth settings, and printers and scanners. In printers and scanners, that's where you can add our WLA printers, Hagrid, Hermione, and Dobby. We will give you some more instructions on that at a later time. Alright, one other thing we can set up in System Preferences is something called Hot Corners. Hot Corners can be found on your desktop and screensaver. Hit the screensaver option and then go over to Hot Corners. You all may not have anything set here, but you can pick specific actions that can be taken when you move your mouse to the corner of your screens. So in this particular case, if I move the mouse to the upper left hand corner, I will get my mission control action. If I move it to the lower left hand corner, I'll get the desktop. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. When I move up here to the upper left, I get Mission Control. Mission Control shows me that I have one desktop currently, but it gives me the option to add another desktop. And then I could customize that desktop, drag different things there, and make that a totally different workspace for myself. If I hover down to the lower left hot corner, then I see just my desktop. It basically minimizes all of my programs. If I go back, it toggles that back, and those programs come back to where they were before. You can customize the hot corners to be whatever you want. I have them customized for these particular options, but you have all these choices. Alright, I'm going to get out of settings here, and then the last thing we're going to go over is what's called Spotlight. Spotlight is a quick way to look up anything on your MacBook. If you hit the Command and Spacebar at the same time, it brings up the Spotlight search. From there, you can look for things that might fall in the settings, like dock or hot corners. Or you can look up individual programs, like Adobe Acrobat. Or you can search things on the internet, like famous people. And then you can click on the results that you get. All of this can be done from your Spotlight feature. If you don't want to continue with your Spotlight feature, you can simply hit the escape bar and you're back to normal. And that's a super quick overview of some things you can do on your MacBooks.